tomorrow. The fight to stop dozens of Georgia college students from being deported goes before a judge.
They are all international students who have had their visas revoked. Atlanta News First, Madeline Montgomery is live on Georgia Tech's campus tonight. This is one of many schools seeing revoked visas.
And Madeline, some of these students are at the top of their class.
That's right. There are students with 4.0 GPAs. There are students who are student athletes, and some of them are just getting their visas revoked simply because they ran a red light, some because they have tickets that they forgot to pay, all according to the attorney we spoke with. And so now he's fighting to make sure they can stay and continue studying. Protests like this happening across the country as hundreds of international students are waking up to find their visas revoked.
They're not telling the students what they did that caused the termination of their registration for their student status.
Charles Cook is one of the attorneys going to bat for over 150 of these students, 30 of them studying here in the state of Georgia.
Our lead plaintiff is a student athlete at Kennesaw State. And she was arrested because of a fight with her boyfriend.
Cook will go before a federal judge along with attorneys from the Georgia civil rights organizations like the Council of American Islamic Relations and ask for a temporary restraining order.
They have a system that they need to follow.
Give these students a chance to stay and finish their education and finish the reason why they're here.
U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has been asked about these student visa revocations.
We're going to err on the side of caution. We are not going to be importing activists into the United States.
But care attorney Aaron Butler says that doesn't apply in the cases he's seeing.
There have been no individuals that we've identified here within the state of Georgia that have had their visa status revoked due to political advocacy.
Students whose visas have been revoked here in Georgia are on police and ICE's radar for things like running red lights and unpaid tickets, according to the attorneys we've spoken with.
None of our clients and none of the people we've seen so far are eligible to be deported.
Of what it is we're deciding is going to get your visa revoked, which is illegal activity, essentially.
Attorneys will be in front of the judge at 11 tomorrow morning, and they'll be holding a press conference. We'll be at it, and we'll let you know what happens. Reporting live at Georgia Tech, I'm Madeline Montgomery, Atlanta News First.